Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can simply edit your photo with the Wes Anderson style using Epic Photo Editor. So first you can just start by adding your photo to Epic and then go to adjust and follow this adjustment, but you can always adjust it based on your photo. So first I'm going to adjust the brilliance into 10 and then shadow -20 and then fade 50. Then I'm going to adjust the temperature into 20 and the hue into -80 or T into -80. Okay, it will become like this, and after that you can go to filter and add any filter that you want, but I'm going to use the blossom one filter. Okay, and after that you can also add effect, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. Now you can go to text and then add any text that you want. And so you can select the Futura phone if you have any on your phone. Okay, I'm going to use the bower shadow phone and I'm going to change the phone color into yellow or orange like this. Okay, you can just choose which one that you think fits your photo the best. Okay, you can add more than one text. Like this, for example. Okay, put the text at the center. Like this, but I'm going to change the color maybe to yellow to make it more visible. Okay, so after that you are done, and here's the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.